Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Class 8th subject General Science, chapter The Cell. In last lectures, we have discussed about the cell. What is cell? Cell it is the functional and structural unit of life, and all the organisms are composed of cells. Cell is organism structural to functional unit asa. Dunyas mein yustik organism it is composed of cells. So cells are just like bricks. They are just like bricks. But when you cell it has three important parts. Akh cell membrane asa, bechat cytoplasm asa, te bech nucleus asa. Us cell membrane it's the outermost covering of the cell. Outermost covering of the cell. Cell bachawa from mechanical injury, and it also gives shape to the cell. It is cell dema shape, which is cell bachawa from mechanical injury. But when we cytoplasm it's a jelly-like substance. It is a water-like substance. Use present between cell membrane. For example, this is cell membrane, plasma membrane. This is nucleus. Darmiyan space space mein mawjood water-like substance, jelly-like substance. Yath cytoplasm. That's called cytoplasm. But cytoplasm cell hans phi function gasa. Kat parts mans, that is cytoplasm. That is cytoplasm. But cytoplasm lucky small structures asa. Toman cell organelles. They are known as cell organelles. Okay. So cell has three parts. Ago cell membrane, neberkin. Most important three parts: cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. You cytoplasm small structures of the cell. They are known as cell organelles. As per his next topic, that is cell organelles. We know these cell organelles are present within the cytoplasm. Kat much mawjood hai cell in the cytoplasm much mawjood as yath much asa mawjood. Cell organ, most important cell organelles kuch asa cell mans. Yeste paron kamai in brief. Inshallah next class must paron in detail. 9th month paron tai, 11th month paron tai. Dekho beta. As which is cell organelles kuch cell mans asa which is present in the cytoplasm. Actually, the first one is mitochondria, which is cell organelle. Chloroplasts, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes, ribosomes. So mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes, ribosomes. Sari cell organelles. Present in the cytoplasm. So use cell organelle particular structure be particular function So alag structure be function God is mitochondria. God cell organelle. Mitochondria, the way you see mitochondria rod shaped they are in the form of rods. Form of rods. Spherical they are either in the form of rods or in the form of spherical. Rod shaped it is a spherical shaped. Mitochondria is powerhouse of cell. The case is cell part yet respiration gasach. Tash pathui. You respiration gasach at breakdown of food achinera energy. So you see energy shasa that comes out in the mitochondria. So you see respiration chasa. Yet must use food chasa tasishal oxygen. So sakach tirala construction tashna is mitochondria. So if mitochondria respiration guy at their energy. Tawet na powerhouse of cell. That's why it's called a powerhouse of cell. The case it is energy. Basically, you see mitochondria asa is energy to provide kara. It provides the cell with energy. Why? Because respiration takes place within the mitochondria. So use mitochondria at powers of cell because at respiration gasa to additional energy. That is why it is called mitochondria. Use energy shinera in the form of ATP to the adenosine triphosphate. So energy shakli in the form of ATP. So your ATP stored rosa katmas mitochondria mas. Tawish mitochondria back now power house of the cell. Power house of the cell.